Dzień dobry. Welcome to Wrocław. So we were here during summertime and now it's winter time and it's time for the Christmas market. And one of the most favorite cities in Poland after Poznan, Wrocław, Gdańsk, Krakow, and yeah, I don't know, I'm just speechless. It's actually the Christmas market is so big, bigger than what I expected, and you see the crowd. I can see there's so many people actually. You see on the left, on the right side. Oh my goodness! Let's go exploring the Christmas market in Wrocław.
Right, yo, what's up? Merry Christmas everybody and Happy New Year upcoming. We are in Wrocław, as Winnie said. I will show you today how the city look like. Last year I was here alone when Winnie was still back in Bali, right?
Yeah.
But it's pretty busy here. I'm gonna show you. Here we go again. Look at this Christmas tree, actually it's pretty big indeed. Ooh, look at that. I need to show you like this one to catch all.
It is
So
bigger
big.
than the one that in Praga, right?
I'm not sure if it's bigger, but it's pretty big actually, I have to say. Really, it's different for sure. But now it's so many competitions about the Christmas trees, you know, which one is better, which one is bigger. Alright, let's go because people trying to make a pictures actually. Market is pretty busy, pretty big, busy. Square, tak? Market square. And let's have a look this one. This one at the front of us looks cool, right? But it's actually pretty busy, I have to say that. Without any dabs. Wow. Wow. Alright, let's go. Let's have a look what we can find here in the background of the city hall. Ratusz, tak? Many shops, many places to eat. They have a gofry, sayang, with the cream, sayang. Co?
So many reindeers.
Reindeers? Oh. Let's have a look. Look at this Christmas tree actually, I will show you. One more time. So big.
So much. Look at this.
Co tam? Oh, reindeers. Nice. Reindeers here. The decoration, so many people. Christmas tree. One more time. It's quite a lot of people. Look at this one, also looks pretty decent. This one over here, check this out, it's so nice. Look at the crowds actually, unbelievable, unbelievable. Alright, we are going more a little bit, trying to show you, but check this out. This is like a French fry or something, but it's just simply so busy everywhere. It's pretty hard to make a video for you guys because it's just so busy. Also the loud music, but I have to be careful. This house is actually looking nice, isn't it?
Oh my goodness, one thing that is missing is
Snow is missing unfortunately. But after that, check this out. So that's the bars, that's the Christmas tree, and that's the bars where you can buy some stuff. Mostly they drinking the mulled wine here. The nice house and everything, pretty decent, isn't it? And this one where you can hang out. The only, like Winnie said, the only problem is recently is that as the snow is missing, this is some sort of global warming or something. There's no more snow basically in most of the cities in Europe except you're going to the mountains. But even in the mountains it's not so warranted nowadays. But genuinely speaking, it's still a little bit cold, so at least you have to wear the long jacket. The only problem is this loud music, that's why I have to speak loud and quick. Otherwise we're gonna get a copyright and we have to mute this video. But overall that's how does it look like. Very nice indeed. So I think I should buy the French fry or something. So nice. Alright, let's go. Let's have a spin around. Let's have a spin around 360 degree. Walk around. Quite a lot of is going. For your information, these Christmas markets in Poland are open until 7th of January, until of celebration of Three Kings. It's called Three Kings celebrations. Yes. After that is finished.
And look at the lights. Everywhere is the lights. So beautiful.
So beautiful. without any doubts, and pretty busy, pretty busy. So generally speaking, normally they are restaurant. I mean, they are restaurants still, but now they are the bazaar, like a market, yarmark, świąteczny, right? The Christmas thingy, and then there is the ratusz itself, like this one. Everywhere they are lights, lots of things, huh?
So beautiful. And,
So-
and one thing that's missing is the snow is falling.
Yeah, only this thing is missing, unfortunately. Sayak enjoying, a lot of people everywhere around. And this is nice, very nice view of the main view of the actually square and the ratusz. We came from that direction, as you can see everywhere, a lot of people, and very, very, very nice. Actually, decorations and everything, a lot of is going on. People trying to put the heads down, but doesn't matter. It's just busy, and this is was the whole point. It's about. Check this out. This one is actually even cool. A lot of nice decorations and everything. A lot of things going on out here. Trying to go a little bit outside of the, the main square to the side row streets and everything. I just want to tell you how busy is this actually. This is nearly like in Prague actually, and it's 28th of December. Just 2 days after the Christmas technically, and 2 days before the New Year, but generally speaking in Europe is the holiday season right now. And check this out, quite a lot of people, really. Okay, let's go there, huh? Let's have a look. A lot of things going on. I also gonna stop for a while to show you 360. There is like never ending way where you can go. Check this out. Ooh. And also from over here you have a view one more time of the main square. Looks like this one. Yeah, that's it.
I think this one is the one of my favorite Christmas market so far, and I think this one is much more interesting than the one in Prague.
Tak? You think so? A lot of is going on, right? Check this out. Alright, let's have a look actually a little bit. There are a lot of products for the yarmark, like shoppings for the what is only characteristic for the Christmas things like this one. Also you can buy many interesting stuff like teas perhaps, or any other like wool thingies like socks or gloves and stuff like this one. So a lot of opportunities to spend some money and buy some interesting stuff, that's for sure, without any doubt. And it's also cool as it's still after Christmas. If you're coming for New Year perhaps or something, for the holidays you couldn't come during the Christmas, you can still come and enjoy the environment like this one. So really cool, yeah?
Yes, and it is a very long until there. I think I don't know what's that house. Oh, that's the gingerbread house.
Gingerbread house, we have to go to the gingerbread house. Let's have a look. But I will zoom it for you. I will stop for a while and zoom it for you. It's just like going over there.
There are so many shop selling Christmas stuff, something like this, and Christmas sweets. This one from Turkey, I don't know. And we keep going, and so many things, right, Kahai?
A lot of things.
And then we keep going, the sweets. And we keep going. Oh, the cheese, and then so many Christmas product and natural cosmetic.
Gdzie chciałam jeszcze raz? Pokazał mi
Yes. Oh, wow. So many nice things actually.
This is the
Like
end,
this
like
one.
history,
I think that's the end. Yes, so what I'm gonna say that it's very big.
Very big.
And then from this side to go there, and that side together, and that side to go there, and it's around the ratusz. And the number of the people is unbelievable. Lot of people are there.
As Winnie said, this is the center of the attraction, but also you can go everywhere. Everywhere there are shops, everywhere there are the bazaars and the Christmas decorations, and so many tempting stuff and goods everywhere. Alright, as you can see, let's go, have a look more. We didn't go into right from here. Actually, we decide to go see every single street here.
It's because there's so many ways to see that there's so many shops. And
Alright, let's have a look. There is the guy who dressing the mountain outfit because they're selling the serki góralskie, right? So the mountain cheese, right? So yeah, everywhere you can find this stuff and the mountain shocks.
can I try the ser here, Kohani?
Tak.
I like the guy outfit. It remind me of the Zakopanem.
That's the whole point. Whole point, son.
This is one of my favorite cheese, the mountain cheese, and looks like this. And they're gonna put it with they warm it, and they're gonna put the jam on it. Okay, nice.
So you really like this cheese, right? The mountain cheese with the żurawina, right? So good. Ah, oh, looking good. Oh. Hey, you have a nice bell. Sorry to distract. How is it? Nice? You like it? Always good, right? Alright. Except the cheese, they have a lot of interesting stuff over here. Really a lot. I don't know. Let's have a look closer. Some sort of handy, but I don't know how to get there even because so many people have to cross the street. It's like crossing street in Asia. Here you go, like this one. Some nice stuff. Oh, nice. But if you drive the tram, the people quickly moving around. They feel respect with if they see the 120 tons. Alright, I don't know if this 120 tons, but it's big. Oh, and this is how does it look like. We're going back to the city. There's also the mall if you're gonna go on the other direction side. And yeah, balloons. Okay, Sayang, there is Chinese restaurant at the front of us. So many interesting stuff around.
Maybe we go there?
Now we come back to the square side. Okay, let's go. Sayang, look at the shop inside. Very nice, isn't it? Very nice decor inside, huh? So cool, huh?
And the restaurant full house.
Yeah, but look at the location of the restaurant. The central must be so cool. Come back to the square. Let's go into that direction because we show you 50% of it actually. So let's go more. Actually, they built nice because this is 2-floor one. Check this out. And you can get some wine over there. Can hang out. Must be having a nice view and everything. Pretty cool, huh? Alright. Let's go. This is the place closer. Down there they selling the churros. And ding dong. Like this one, just slowly to show you. So many nice stuff, Sayan.
Right, there are so many nice stuff. And look at the kiwi to buying the churros.
Yeah. A lot is going on. True. This is the actually okay. I show you one more time. This is the place, the churros and the nice wooden construction and the lights. And there's the grill house where they're selling some grill stuff and the XXL fritki. I don't know why I wanna have a fritki, which is the Belgian fries. I don't know why, but seems like I wanna have it. So let's try. Also, let's have a look what they have it in the grill here. Oh, of course, there must be a sausage and the stuff. They grilling to the fullest and always busy. Check this out. What's going on? You can have a sausage like this one and this one. Ah, nice. And they probably sell me the fries. No, actually, this is the queue for the fritki. Really? This is the queue for the fries? I guess, but yeah. Fritki belgijskie XXL. I will have a fritki, huh?
Okay.
And you will film after that, alright? Alright.
And yes, normally the restaurant here with the sitting outside and now becoming a yarmark, which is Christmas market on the left, on the right side. Oh, this is the queue for the roller coaster. And Damian still in queue buying his fritki. And here, look, people just want to try the roller coaster. And here the crowd actually. Okay. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like. They have a Santa Express, which is the roller coaster. So here you can buy fritki, you can buy the kielbasa or sausage, you can buy the mulled wine. Oh my god, look at this. Oh wow. And then go. Kochani, look at this. Oh, smacznego. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Look at the number of the people. It's so crowded. Smacznego, kochanie. Tak. Kochanie, Bob, what do you think about the Christmas market here?
Always good. But to feel the real magic of Christmas, you have to be in Europe.
Yes.
That's it. That's it.
So yes,
It's nice.
it's nice. And then what I can say that it's the Christmas vibrant. It's totally a different vibe here in Poland, right? We were in Prague last time just for the Christmas market. Here it's big as well.
It's also big. You don't actually need to go to Prague to experience something very similar. Little bit different food maybe, but after that it's actually very similar. Nice, right?
And once again, I'm just gonna show you how is the queue. So long queue in the Santa Express. Okay, so now I decided to show you how it looks. And here, so this is how it looks, the Santa Express, the roller coaster actually. And I think that this is only happening during the Christmas, and this one is the mule wine house. Looks like this. Oh, you see? Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Oh my god, when I watch this from here, I already feel like dizzy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I can see their faces. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. I'll show you around. And this one is actually, it's very interesting about the fun game. And this one on the top you can enjoy your mulled wine. And yeah, I'll show you around how it looks on the left, on the right side. How's the people? Ah, look at this one. And here the carousel. And here another mulled wine with the angel on the top. It's nice. And this one, oh my god, I got dizzy actually watching this one. And here, the little Red Riding Hood. It's interesting. And here, I think that you can play something. You're shooting something, and then if you win, you will get some of the toys from that. Interesting. Oh, very nice. Super cool. And they sell a very big popcorn here. Okay, that's. I'll show you again. This is from the Ratus down there, and here it looks. Oh my god, look at these houses with the train. Oh, that's so cute. So nice. Wow, the angel, the light, the people. It's absolutely amazing. And I'll show you actually. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's nice. So nice. And the number of the people you see, so busy. And I'm showing you what they sell, the sausage, the kielbasa, the kapusta, so good.
There are some art performers. They painting something, your portraits or caricatures. And well, this is so big place in general. What I gonna tell you? A lot of is going on, and actually I'm impressed as after Christmas still busy. I say, imagine this place before Christmas, huh? Few days before Christmas. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy. All right, so the last site, actually the last wall left. So we did all around, and this is the last shot. No matter which side you are, it's actually pretty busy, and a lot of interesting things are ongoing. I think I mentioned already, as you can also similarly, like in Prague, find the people from all around the world here, which is actually very cool indeed. And let's see if we can find something actually different on this corner. But generally speaking, actually, yeah, this gofre, they are different because they are bombelkowe, and they making like this one. Actually, nice, cool, something different. Actually, you see, I already found some. Where's my Shayan? Where's my Shayan? Shayan. All right, let's go. Busy. This place is pretty big, isn't it, Shayan?
Right, so from we were there and there around, and then we will come back there, right?
That's the
but the
thing.
amount of the shops, the wooden shop is so many.
So many. That's true. Check this out. It's just going, and going. But it's pretty cool, actually. Pretty cool. And also the other establishments are open anyways, but on the top of it a lot of people are just outside. And you see, this another thing, it's just 2 degrees, but doesn't discourage people to come and enjoy outside, right?
No, as long as you wear something nice,
Appropriate.
It's just like,
Yeah, they even singing here, see? Enjoying. Everybody enjoying. So people playing, walking, strolling, selling. That's how the things look like. I think still it's actually better now, like now during the winter when it's cold, you just dress appropriate rather than it's 30-35 degrees and it's so cold, right?
yes, but I see that I prefer to have a winter actually. So many interesting things.
So magical, isn't it? So technically we are going nearly to the end of the strolling around 360 degrees around the Christmas market, actually Christmas square markets were Christmas market. And look at this one, pierniki wrocławskie. This is what I actually have to have a look. Why so many people actually strolling here? Alright, let's go. So many decorations. I just trying to get out, cross it. Here we go. This is pierniki wrocławskie. As you watch me already and you know me, I'm a big fan of the pierniki. I wanna show you. They're actually very nice decorations, right? So cute. Look at this one actually. Nice. Nice stuff.
So cute.
Alright, so this is the last corner actually, technically speaking. There is the speaking moose actually. Speaking moose. And the carousel. Oh, look at this sausage grilling over here. Also looking actually good. They're grilling a lot of nice stuff. Lots of nice stuff. Nice carousel also, like this one. A lot of interesting stuff. Food options.
Oh my god, food are everywhere.
Everywhere, son. Look at this, so much is going on. So much is going on actually. Yeah. And this is the speaking mood over there. Here we go. Oh, he's tired. Hey, he's speaking lah.
Look what he does. He can talk. It's so cute. Ale tam jest kolejka taka, bo to mogę
So cool, huh?
Ale dobrze mi z tym. Tyle tu kolorów i zapachów.
So cute, huh? So this is also a nice shot over here overlooking the whole the atmosphere, what's going on. They have the Christmas tree, the raptors, and the people enjoying the African Santa Claus or whatever.
Santa Claus. And if you go over there, that's also another Christmas
Bonus one.
market. Wow, it's a very huge Christmas market.
If you go on the other side, there's actually bonus of the Christmas market. There's additional little square. Actually, something is going on here. This is like a big house. I think 1 year ago was also like that. And they also have a pierniki here. We're gonna get there closer. Have a look. That's how does it look like. Everywhere a lot of nice decorations. Oh, there's like a Christmas concert or something on the top. At the front of us, actually. Yeah, so a lot of things going on everywhere. Technically speaking, this is like a big place where you can drink the mulled wine with the 1, 2, 3 floor one actually, with the loud music, and there is like a concert for the Christmas or something, a lot of lights, and there's French fries everywhere actually. A lot of people drinking the mulled wine, and also I will show you this one. The last actually probably shot here what's going on. Let's get closer. There is some sort of like a party scene, so colorful.
This is a playground actually for the children, I guess. Coming there, and the colorful lights, and then the music everywhere, and what I can see that, oh my goodness, this is a really a vibrant Christmas market and Christmas party. Nice.
This is some Irish pub, and we are going more, and the Munchen beer.
And what I can see there, busy, everywhere is busy, restaurant inside.
All the time busy. That's correct. Okay, let's get closer. And it's also so bright. Everywhere is bright, colorful, and lively. This is what we like, right, Sam? When it's lively, right? All right, let's go. Also on the street, normally there's a lot of nice cozy bars, restaurants, and the coffee shops. Bigger or smaller one.
Look at the Christmas.
So cool, Sam. And also you can find the stuff like this one similar to the Prague when you go inside the podwórko, which means courtyard. All right. So yeah, that's also nice shot.
Look, one thing that I see, if you see from this perspective, look like Budapest little bit. Just little bit, you know, with the river and then the building, like Parliament building. But that's not Parliament building, but that's the University of Wrocław. So, yeah, what I can say then, same
Same but different.
Same but different.
But this looks actually nice. That's this old market square. That's the river, university. Some shops, actually restaurants. And we park in this building at the front. Okay, let's go, Saya, let's go. And that's the traffic in Wrocław, by the way.
Right, so I think that's all our video today from Wrocław. How beautiful and how vibrant it is, the Christmas market, and how busy it is. I really enjoy it. So I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.